Hey guys, welcome to Exam Tricks. Today we are going to learn the name of the four cotton producing countries of Africa. These four cotton producing countries are called Cotton 4 or C4 generally. Now you must be thinking that why to remember these four unknown countries, why to remember the name of these four unknown countries. These four unknown countries are the major cotton producing countries in Africa, and they were in dispute with USA in the recently occurred ministerial conference, WTO ministerial conference in Nairobi, Kenya. The issue is USA provides subsidy to its cotton farmers, and due to this, the price of cotton in the international market is less than normal. So, as these countries are mainly cotton producing countries and their economy is driven by that money that comes from selling cotton, so they are losing a huge amount of money compared to their GDP. They are losing a huge amount of money, and they want USA to stop giving subsidy to their farmer. Which they say that it is against the WTO norms. So there is a dispute going on between them. So that's why it was in news in December. So it becomes a hot topic and important topic. Now we'll concentrate on how to remember the name of these countries. So you can see these are the four countries: Burkina Faso, Benin, Chad, and Mali. Now I'll take first letter of each country. B, B, C. Now we know BBC, right? Now what we are doing here is correlating something that we remember easily to something that we don't. And we have Mali. So how we can break Mali and add to BBC so that we formulate a story, and that story will be useful in remembering these four countries. So suppose we break this in half. Ma, listen, BBC, wearing, cotton, sari, and the program that is coming in BBC is about Africa. So if you remember this story, now this includes Ma listens. So you can write MALI. These are important things, and remove this. Then BBC and rest are just to make the story so that you remember. So easily you will remember Mali, then BBC, Burkina Faso, Benin, and Chad. So this way you can easily remember the name of these four cotton producing countries, and as this was in recent news, it will be helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like, because if you hit like, it feels good, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.